guys, so now that I'm editing, I realized I forgot to tell you how it came. It came in like a hot pink packaging, kind of like Ipsy, and then also inside of it had like, she made like a handmade little thing with like stuffing paper and like glittery tape. And now she also threw in like a little cookie. I ate it. It was like an Oreo covered with frosting. It was super cool. So inside that little package that she gave you, it has like the stuff that you bought. But yeah, that's all I wanted to really show you. So yeah, the packaging is super cute. Okay, let's get into the video.
You thought you was slick, but you slipping, yeah. Gucci wallet, bang, bang, come and be my main thing. Know I touch you up, but since then you been on my damn brain. Yeah, I'm out here rolling with my niggas. I am rolling for you.
I'm putting y'all on Saweetie, her new album. It's called High Maintenance. I know y'all heard of her because I played her music here before.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops.
Just wanted to, shout that out real quick. But that's not what this video is about. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm actually going to be doing a review on a brand. It's called the Glossy 21. And I don't know if you guys heard of it before. It has about, last time I checked, it had like 9,000 followers. Let me see. Yeah, they have 10.7 now. Last time I checked, they had 9,000, so they're growing quite fast actually. I'm gonna be doing a review on these lip glosses. This and this. Me and the Glossy 21, we were talking and she sent me these two to try out for you guys so I could show you how it works and like how it looks, because I was looking on YouTube and I noticed there wasn't like many reviews on this brand, and I love this brand. Like literally when I found them on Instagram, like, wow, like the lip glosses were so, I'm sorry, I'm still recording. Lip glosses were so, like, let me just show you. Look how, like, it's on the side of the screen. You see how sparkly that is? Do you see how sparkly that, I was like, lip gloss can do that? I believe I ordered them from them in July. Their packaging was much different in July. And to think that only 4 months has gone by. 4 months. Well, how did I just assume it was 4 months? I didn't even do the math in my head. 8 months. 8 months went by and they already upgraded their like packaging and everything, and I'm like, so this is the Princess Pink gloss that I got in July of 2017, and this is the Glo Getter Girl lip gloss, and this is the Ambition lip gloss that's in a jar. The difference between the old packaging and the new packaging is that this old packaging had a more shiny finish in the top, and this one has a more aluminum type finish. I like this one better because this one, it had diamonds around the rim of the bottle. They were nice. They looked just like these diamonds here. The diamonds started to come off, so then I just ended up taking it off and then using like rubbing alcohol to take off the rest of the glue, so it would just look like this. But this one I like better because it feels like it's not coming off at all. Like, it's sturdier. It looks like they improved their packaging, and now I see that this one was just plain around the bottle cap, and now this one also has, it had the Glossy 21's logo like that, and this one comes with a little mirror. I just have the plastic on it still. I don't want to smudge it and stuff. So it has a mirror and it has the diamonds and her logo. So she really stepped up since like July, so like that's good, and you can tell it's only gonna be getting better. And these jars are so cute. Like, I just think it's so cute. Look at the gloss. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna make a mess with this. And then it has her little name right there. That is so cute. So I want to try the lip glosses because I tried this one, which is the new one, but I have not tried the jar one. I actually have another one in the shade Foreign. It was like the reddish type color, and I left it in my locker at school because I leave that one here at school and then I keep this one in my purse so that I can just trade them off. So I'm gonna go in with Glo Getter Girl first. The thing I love about these lip glosses, they also come with a little light on each of them, on each of the tubes. See that? It's a light so you can apply it in the dark. And then you can use a little mirror. It's so cute. These go on really smooth. To love. And it doesn't like give you too much product when you take it out. So it gives you like just the right amount. So you can keep adding on if you want more. But I just love how like the glitters aren't like overpowering the lip gloss. The lip gloss is still clear, but it's like still glossy and glittery. I don't know if you could see like the shine, the high shine. It's that you're getting from this gloss, but I'll take a video and I'm gonna insert a clip either like right now or at the end of the video. I'm gonna put it right now. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right now. So I'm inserting a clip of me wearing this gloss. Do you like it? Does it look good? Does it look good? I think it looks good. Like the perfect amount of shine and like a little tint of color, not too much, just like enhancing your natural lip color. But I think it looks so good. Gloss make you feel like you need some hoops. Hold on, let me get some hoops. Y'all think I was joking? Hey. Okay, so now I feel like it looks so much better with the hoops and the gloss, and I think the gloss looks super cute. And so next I'm gonna go in with the Ambition gloss in the jar. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use it. And I think these are so handy for especially people who like are like actual makeup artists and like do makeup on other clients. The jar is super handy. Oh look, they're having free shipping on their first order when you sign up. Email. Every gloss comes in a tube and a jar, so you can pick each one you want to do. But yeah, I'm gonna take this gloss off and then I'm gonna go in with the jar gloss. Okay, let me get a lip brush. Cool, got a lip brush. Ting. Use the lid. What's on there? Ooh. Never used this before. This is so fun. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I think I might low-key like the jar better. I think I got a little carried away. Oh, but it's so good. I think this looks so cute. Okay, and I'm gonna record videos of these lip glosses. You know what I realized? I didn't record a video with the first one on. I'm like so not good at doing like reviews. You know it's my filter. Come on, don't judge me. Okay, so side note, am I the only one who thought spring break was like next week? Apparently it's after Easter. I thought it was before. I thought it was the week before. That's a neck. Well, anyways. Yeah, these lip glosses are super moisturizing. And they're made with vitamin E. Okay, hold on. It's vegan friendly. It's pigmented pink with pink highlights, which I can see. Castor oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, vitamin E. That's stuff that I know. And the flavor is strawberry kiwi. Got glitter on my tongue. The glitter lip gloss will be available on March 24th. Oh, it's March 22nd, so it's going to be available March 24th. And I'm just going to try the Princess Pink one on for fun because I think it's still a pretty popular lip gloss. So let me just try that real quick. So I don't know if she changed the bottle or the wand or what, but definitely the new one is way better than the old one. It's still like popping gloss, like it's still great. But definitely it's like a better, smoother application now. I definitely think she upgraded OD. It's just the glossy21.com. And they got new glosses arriving for spring. That's these. This is some of them. The Ambition lip gloss and the Glo Getter gloss. So Princess Pink, that's the one that I have. But I have it in the tube form. This is the jar. Caviar Lifestyle Highlighter. They have a highlight. I know it's a loose one. They also, hold on, look, let me click on it, let me show you. And then you could also get the pressed powder one, which is pretty cool. But I don't think they have a picture of the pressed powder one because I wanted to see it. Cause like, oh my god. But I heard great things, and on their Instagram they show people wearing it. Like, let me go on the Instagram because the highlight is really popping. Like, this is a highlight just on their arm, and this is a highlight with somebody wearing it. I'm like, I need to try that. I wanted to try the highlight. I didn't get to. I'm going to. Definitely going to. Because I really want to try the highlight. This is what I got last time, which is the reason I got the foreign lip gloss and the Princess Pink, because I got the BFF lip gloss bundle. And I think you can only pick tubes. Yeah, you can only pick tube glosses for that. You just pick it, put it in your cart, then you write it on like a description thing. You say what glosses you want, and the only other review I've ever seen on this like brand was one by, I'll put her name like right here somewhere. I forgot. I just like literally like looked it up. I was like, is there any other reviews so I can reference if anyone covered any bases that I missed? No, it's just one girl, literally only one other girl who did a review on this brand. And it was like she did a full face of makeup with the brand included, and she got the bombshell bundle, and it came with the highlights and a gloss. Or you can pick a gloss or a jar. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you could pick a gloss and highlight. And you can put the gloss in a jar or not in a jar, however you want to do it. So they have glitter glosses. They also have skincare, which is I found like really interesting because I was like, oh my god. So yeah, she has facial masks, toners, cleansers, raw cocoa butter berry face mask, peppermint facial toner, calendula charcoal face mask, green tea face mask. Oh my god. Just a little piece of skincare, but they said they're gonna expand on that, so. Okay, so this is really exciting. The Glossy 21 also has a little rewards program for people who are like loyal customers. They tell you how to join the Glossy 21 reward. Customers with store accounts will automatically earn points for purchases. If you don't have one, create one. How do I earn points? Create a store account. Get 5 points as a welcome bonus. Make a purchase. Get 1 point for each $1 spent with minimum order value of $1. Birthday bonus. Get 10 points on your birthday month. Some big brands don't even have rewards programs. At all the big brands. That really gets me tight because like we spend money there. Especially if you spend money there like all the time and they don't have a rewards program. That's so annoying. And plus a lot of the things are like very affordable. And like if you run out of lip gloss or you want to buy your friend one or whatever you want to do with the lip gloss, you could just get another one, use your rewards, get points for it. Like I love getting points for spending money. So to wrap up the video, I asked her if she wanted to say anything to you guys, let you guys know about anything about the brand. She said no, there wasn't anything in particular, that she's working on building her brand as a small beauty boutique. And right now they specialize in glitter lip gloss, but they're planning on expanding their skincare products and adding other self-care products. Right now their goal is just to support women in caring for themselves. So that's all she wanted to say to you guys about her brand. And I think it's a really good message because not a lot of brands actually care about the people that's buying from them. They just want money, And this is like a small little brand. I really like them. Even the first time I bought from them, they had a sale that ended like 2 days before I got to the website and I found them. And I really wanted to be a part of it, but I was like, I just missed it. Like maybe I could talk to the owner, maybe I could figure something out. I was like, I just missed that sale. It literally was like yesterday. Like, do you think there's anything you could do? She was like, yeah, no problem. Let me just give you a code right now. She gave me like a code to like used to get like 15% off or 20% off. And this was like July when I didn't even have YouTube. It's not about YouTube, it's not about anything. It was just, I was like a customer and she had excellent customer service. She was really helpful. Like replied the same day. I was so happy. Like you don't understand. I was like, wow. Like think about it. If you try to hit up Anastasia, like mind you they just had a sale or something. No, they wouldn't have given you a code. They would not have given you a code. But since this is like a small business and they're like very like aware of their customers and they care about how the customers feel about their products and they care about how the customers feel about their brand. They are very responsive and very sweet. Like she's very, very nice. When I was like, hey, do you think maybe we could do a collab, like I can go and do a review on your products. I was like thinking she was gonna just shoot me down. I was like, let me just ask her. Let me just ask, because I really like your brand and I really want to help you grow with my little following, trying to help you grow. But yeah, I think we can help each other, And she was like, yes, I'm all for it. I was like, okay. Like I'm so honored to do this video. I'm so happy that I got this opportunity to film a video for a brand. No matter how small, no matter how big, like I'm still like very like wow. Like this is so cool, and I hope I helped you guys learn a little more about this brand. If you haven't heard about it before, go check it out. The link will be down in the description box below. The glosses I used will be down in the description box below. Hope you check out her brand, check out her Instagram, check out everything, because like it's a really good brand, really good prices, really good products, and you can tell she's putting like a lot of hard work into these glosses. I even have the video still of me trying on the gloss, and I put it on my story. I put it on my story the same day. I was like, ooh. And then they commented on my story. She was like, oh my god, you look so good in it. Can you send me that video? And then she reposted me on her story. So if you guys try on if you get the lip glosses, try them on, put them on your story, and you can get reposted. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say about this video. That's all I wanted to show you guys. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. Just that this makeup company is really good. Yeah, that's all I basically have to tell you guys about them. I am not getting paid to say any of this. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm not getting forced to say this. All these opinions are my own. Genuinely, I feel like this is a really good brand. Especially when you're with a business when it first starts. Yes! Okay, so like I was saying, I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, make sure you watch my last videos, watch my future videos, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I post, because I post twice a week. Okay, that's all I want to say. Hopefully you understood that. Bye! You know how long I've been trying to get it to look like this?
Whoa.
Get your respect and diamonds. Scoliosis, cause I swerved the lane. Heard you signed your life for that brand new chain. Like I talk it, walk it, like I talk it, walk it, like I talk it. Living in a mansion and now
I just figured out how to focus my camera.